Hi, this is Miss Sandra. I just wanted to share a quick, silly, look what I made with what I found project. Maybe to help you think of something fun to do with unexpected things you find. I made this as a magnet using old puzzle pieces, paint, glue, and a rhinestone I found. I was cleaning and found a puzzle that was missing some pieces. I didn't think anyone else could use it, so I tried to think of what you could do with random puzzle pieces. I had a little bit of blank magnet, so I decided to make a magnet. What would you do with random puzzle pieces? Really don't like the color on these, so I painted it with some colors that I liked. What you definitely would want to do, don't do this, put something underneath where you're painting. But once your puzzle pieces are dry, if you want, you could draw on them. Could do squiggles, something to make them look like they're part of a bigger piece. If you're really good at putting puzzles together, I'm not. But if you are, you could put a couple pieces together, do a design over all of them, and then break it up so you'd have your own puzzle. All I did was move a few pieces around, kind of wait to see what I liked. Then glued it together. If you've got sequins or rhinestones or glitter, adding sparkle makes pretty much everything a little bit more fun. Then once it's dry, let's cut off a little bit of this magnet. And I'll glue that to the back too. I hope this helps you think of ways to turn things that you can't use into things that you can. Enjoy!